Okay, here's a little bit of the call.
I don't want to show it.
I thought you wanted to.
No,
I wasn't going to even bring it up.
I know.
And you just
Congresswoman Marcia Fudge for hosting us.
Deal.
All right. This goes on for 2 minutes, and Tim
And he just sits
look
there.
at him. He's just sitting back there going,
Grab the mic.
Anyway, I was playing Parcheesi last night with my kids.
Yeah.
And it just kept, all right, let's get off of that. I
Get
don't know
off.
anymore.
She's awesome.
So there's a conspiracy
Not
theory.
sick.
Guess what? So there's a conspiracy
Not
theory.
sick.
Guess what?
Around the time Trump became the nominee. And look, he very early on allied himself with Putin's policies. I mean, to pull out of NATO, for goodness sakes, right? And he furthermore has praised Putin. He seems to have this bizarre attraction to dictators, including Putin. He won't tell us where he owes $650 million. There's a lot of rumors about that. And he has, made it clear that he doesn't particularly care whether Putin and the intelligence services attack American institutions. So, get some water. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks. Excuse me. I'll be right back.
All right, guys, you got to see this. This is disgusting. No, a lot of people didn't see this until people really were analyzing the video from when she was at the speech, and it was disgusting. You guys got to see this. She coughs up into the glass some gooey green stuff. It goes into the glass. This is not Photoshop. This is real. You can go to the original footage. She actually throws up. And you can see that she's just really like, when she takes the glass of water to drink it, you could tell she like kind of regurgitates something into the glass. And she's not even aware that there are millions of people watching her do this. And it goes into the glass. You got to see this. Here we go. Check this out.
But we're...
Okay, here's a little bit of the call.
I don't want to show it.
I thought you wanted to.
No,
I wasn't going to even bring it up.
I know.
And you just...
Congresswoman Marcia Fudge for hosting.